Jumping into a new codebase is tough. Instead of digging through docs, let's build an AI assistant for D3.js, one of the most powerful visualization libraries out there. We'll go from a simple prompt to this fully interactive chart. We start by pointing the assistant to a codebase. For this, we'll use the public D3.js repo, but this works with any repository, public, private, or your own. The code itself becomes the AI's knowledge. Inside Workik AI, we'll start by creating a new bot from scratch. I'll give it a name so we can identify it and a clear description of its purpose. Next, and this is the key step, we add context. I'll select code and connect the bot directly to our forked D3 repository on GitHub. Finally, I'll choose the AI model that will power the assistant, click Create, and that's it. Our bot is now built and ready. Over in VS Code, I can now ask the assistant for exactly what I need: a complex responsive sales chart. It understands the prompt and immediately writes the complete HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Let's run the code. And there it is. The fully interactive visualization, exactly as requested. We went from a simple prompt to a final product instantly. Get instant help with your projects and start building faster. Try it for free.